on? Do I still know how to do this? No, I don't think I do. Hello, everybody. It's been literally a year since I posted anything on my YouTube channel. It might appear that it's been longer since the video that I posted last year was Vlogmas Day 1. And then I hated everything. I hated myself, hated the way the video turned out, and I stopped. I removed it from public view on my channel and then didn't post anything else for Vlogmas. And I hated myself for it. I got really mad that I did that and didn't follow through with what I wanted to do. But if you want to watch that video, I'm going to take it off of private so you can watch last year's Vlogmas Day 1 because it's going to be a little bit more eventful than this one. This is because it's been so long since I posted anything. I'm going to update you a little bit on my life and where I've been and what has been happening in the last little while since I've seen you. Namely, who's that? Oh, it's Luna. This is my dog Luna. She's a puppy. She's an Aussie Doodle. She's 8 months old. I don't even know where to start with this. We're doing a little life update. I'm in my apartment. Last video, besides that Vlogmas one that you'll probably go and watch from last year, last video I was definitely still living at home. I've been in this apartment for over a year now. I'm moving into a new unit within this complex soon. Hopefully, I mean, we're gonna tour it tomorrow morning, which is gonna be very exciting. And the next Vlogmas video that you're gonna see is an empty apartment tour. It's bigger than this. I'm in a 1-bedroom right now. That's gonna be a 3-bedroom. Kind of crazy, a bit of a jump. But Luna needs to have her own room. She's a little princess. No, I'm just kidding. She's not gonna have her own room. Can you stop eating the tree skirt, please? She's behaving weird because she doesn't know what the camera is. Right now, as it stands, it's gonna be the beginning of January, but I'm trying to move it up sooner since I just found out that the people who were in the unit that I'm moving into have vacated yesterday. So I'm a little bit confused why I can't move it sooner, but I'm working on it. Say hello. I don't even know what the last video that like remains on my channel is. I don't know if I ever had to say that my dog Chewy died, and that's why I have Luna here. Well, that's not why. I don't know if you could say that, but he passed away, and then a year later got this little floof monster. So that's been happening in the last little bit since I've caught up with you. I am still working full-time as a graphic designer, brand designer, web designer, all of the sorts of things for myself, working from home. My current office setup is that corner over there in the living room. And I've outgrown it for sure in the last year, hence why an extra bedroom in the new apartment will give me office space, which I am so excited about. I literally can't even tell you how happy I am to not have my desk, or the idea of not having my desk in the living room. It's a nuisance to have it here.
I made a mistake.
Please pause for the vacuum sounds.
I'm fired up.
Dustin is concerned that nobody knows who he is, so in case anybody was wondering, Dustin is a man I hired to cook me dinner every night and to watch my dog. Just kidding, that's my boyfriend. Obviously, I think that was pretty obvious. I don't know why he was so worried that nobody knew who he was. This is Luna, like I said, but she also goes by Loony, Loony Balloony, Oony Balloony, Booty Butts, Butts. Well, she knows, she has a theme song too. You're gonna have to wait a little bit longer and subscribe for more videos to hear us actually sing it to her, because it's quite embarrassing and I don't want to do that right now. Do you like to share what you're cooking with the class?
I'm kind of going off the script a little bit here.
Okay.
We got these chicken breasts that were sliced about this thin.
Because the ones that we usually get
are either massive or like tiny little tenders, which I don't like either. So we're trying to find a happy medium, and we got these. But I opened these up and I had no idea what I could have possibly done with them. So then I was looking in the fridge and I saw these little mozzarella balls.
That were for my garlic knots, but that's fine, you can use them.
Well, now they're chicken knots.
They're chicken knots. Literally, because he has folded them up into little balls and now he's rubbing Greek yogurt on them. That doesn't seem like something I want to eat.
You won't taste it really, and it adds protein. And it helps the crunchy boys.
Breadcrumbs?
Breadcrumbs.
These are the breadcrumbs Dustin likes to use, in case anybody's wondering. They're just plain panko breadcrumbs.
Thick, and it keeps the chicken moist, and yeah, I've never applied them in this manner before, so it probably looks a little weird.
It looks a little scary.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, I know what we can do. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little apartment tour briefly because I'm moving out of this place. It is actually kind of a mess and I probably shouldn't be doing this at this moment. But here we go. Friend's picture frame that my sibling had 3D printed just for me. That is the best gift ever. On the door. Hello, Luna. Are you gonna be our tour guide? Would you like to be the tour guide? Okay, great. We have a closet here for coats, obviously, shoes in there as well. I'm not gonna open it because it's a disaster. There's the bathroom. First thing you see when you walk in, as well as the kitchen over here. Got a mirror on this wall. Somebody's calling me. I hear my phone buzzing. Oh no, hold on, I'll have to continue this tour in a moment. My mom is calling me.
Hi.
I think this is as far as I got before. Looney's over there chewing on Mr. Potato Head. Yeah, this is the kitchen. Got some little Christmas poinsettias. If you hear the cooking, Dustin's cooking up a storm over there. So we've got the kitchen, leads into the living room. Here's my office. Let me just give you a little tour of my office right now. It's quite small, but it does the trick for now. And then when you're over here at the door, we do have a little patio behind me, but it's pitch black out, so you don't need to see anything out there. This is what it looks like. And clearly I have a new vacuum here and a mixer to replace, because this mixer went on sale. It's the same mixer as the one that I have over there, right there. But it's bigger, so that's why I got it. Anyway, so into the bathroom. Hey, I don't know why this keeps going so crooked. I'm not holding it that crooked, but it is crooked. I probably need to walk slower. We've got a closet in the bathroom, which is nice. There's literally only one outlet in here, which I understand you don't want outlets near like the shower or anything, but that only one is very infuriating, let me just say. Shower, I hate that it's a shower curtain and not a door, but I digress. It is what it is. This closet is full. It's a disaster and I hate it, and it won't be that way soon because I will have 2 bathrooms soon. Bathroom leads right into the closet, which leads into the bedroom. Hey Siri, turn on the bedroom lights. Okay, so here's the closet. There's all my sweatshirts, my pride and joy. And the rest of the closet is quite a bit of a mess right now. I've got all my PJs, all my dresses, all my makeup. I gave Dustin a little section for his clothes. I have a bunch of crap on top. I literally am like exploding out of this apartment. It is way too small. I hate that it's small. I love the apartment. I love everything about it. Amenities, the unit, the building, the everything. It's all great. It's just too small. So I've outgrown it. Okay, so our dinner's ready. Wow, that looks yummy. If you follow me on TikTok, I'm on TikTok now, at Rhianon Paige. I'm posting Vlogmas on there too, but it's much different than like this, because it's going to be more chills, just like clips from my phone. And I had pasta last night, and I'm having it again tonight. That was the point of why I'm saying that, not to get you to follow me on TikTok, though you should.
Mozzarella.
Whoa. So it's like kind of chicken parm, but not really.
I guess, yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm very excited to try it. Please don't burn my mouth, oh my god. A+. I'm gonna say goodnight on Vlogmas Day 1.
Vlogmas Day 1!
Woohoo!
December 1st!
I was gonna swear, but I'm not gonna swear. I'm gonna be gentle, classy lady. Tomorrow we're gonna go look at the new apartment in the morning.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Very excited to see what it looks like. I've been dying to see it.
Oh yeah.
Can't wait. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Luna's eating her dinner. She'd say bye too. Her butt. There's her butt over there somewhere.